Hi, my name is Leslie Barr, and I am going to be giving a talk called From Bal to Balfolk, how French traditional dancing morphed into the coolest thing all over Europe. But before I tell you about it, I want to show you some pictures. So give me a sec to share my screen. The point of the talk is, how did we go from this to this, with an intermediate stop here. So in the first picture, we're in northwest France in Brittany, and the whole village is dancing at a wedding. And there's our musicians. It's a bombard and a biniou. The bombard's a little oboe, and the biniou is a kind of bagpipe. Kids are part of the crowd. The guy has an umbrella because it always rains in Brittany. And here we are in Italy, where they dance Balfolk. So the music has been changed, and the dancing, the way of dancing has been changed. The whole context for the dancing has changed. And here we have a folklore group, which is yet another context for traditional dancing, no longer traditional. So I'm going to be talking about all those things with pictures, with videos. Maybe I'll even play my fiddle for you. So I hope you can make it. Thanks. See you then.
Hi, I'm Lynn Baumeister. Leslie Barr is going to tell you what Balfolk is, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All that and much more at this year's National Folk Organization Conference. It's free. It'll be a blast. Don't miss it, and register now.